Today's story is The Miser and His Money. Once there was a miser who loved money more than anything else. He worked hard and saved every coin he earned, but he never spent any money, not even on himself. The miser had a big pot of gold. He buried it in a hole under a tree in his garden. Every night he went to the tree to check if his gold was safe. He never took any gold out. He just looked at it and felt happy. One day, a thief saw the miser checking the gold. The thief waited until the miser went inside. Then the thief dug up the pot of gold and took it away. The next morning, when the miser went to check his gold, he saw the hole was empty. He cried loudly, "My gold! My gold is gone!" Hearing the noise, his neighbors came to see what happened. The miser told them about the stolen gold. One neighbor asked, "Did you ever use the gold?" The miser replied, "No, I only looked at it." The neighbor said, "If you never used it, you might as well have buried a rock. Gold is meant to be used, not hidden." The miser understood his mistake, but it was too late. So, friend, the moral of the story is wealth is valuable only when it is used wisely.